DeWalt's corded brushless grinders. No brushes to replace, taking tough to new limits. These grinders show up and work hard. No downtime having to replace brushes, because the job doesn't get done when your tools are in the shop. And when you're working, Perform and Protect features can be your first line of defense. E-clutch and kickback brake have your back whenever a pinch or bind is detected. Power loss reset helps prevent accidental power-ons. And for these cordless grinders, brushless means extreme runtime with 20-volt max and the power of corded with 60-volt max. Brushless grinders, because tough doesn't quit. DeWalt, guaranteed tough.